What's up guys, today we're gonna do a simple breathing technique to relax your minds. We're gonna start with the 1-2 breathing, which is very easy, anyone can do it. And then I'm gonna give you a second exercise which includes a little breath hold. It's called the 1-4-2 breathing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end. If you're new to this channel guys, my name is Gert Leroy, helping you master freediving. And before we jump into this, I want you to watch my previous video on diaphragmatic breathing to fight anxiety and stress, because diaphragmatic breathing is the basis of all breathing exercises. So if you haven't done that yet, then please go ahead and watch this video and I'll put it in the link below. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some additional breathing techniques also to calm your minds. So this video is all about calming your minds. So keep on watching till the end. Alright, now first exercise 1-2 breathing. What does that mean? 1-2. We're going to inhale during the count of 1. We're going to exhale during the count of 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. All of this through diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale 1, exhale 1, 2. Pay attention to gently breathing in, gently breathing out. Now the idea of this exercise is that your exhalation is always double of the time of your inhalation. So now instead of 1-2, we're gonna do 2-4. Just make it a little longer. 1-2, 1-2-3-4. 1-2, 1-2-3-4. Pretty easy, right? Now let's spice it up a little bit. A count of 4 during the inhalation and 8 counts during the exhalation. Please be mindful on your breathing, control it in a nice gentle way. Here we go. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is first exercise. By the way guys, if you are liking this video already, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. If you don't hit the notification bell, you will never see my videos popping up in your timeline, because that is how YouTube works. So if you want to see my videos, please hit that notification bell. Let me know also if this is working for you in the comments. And let's jump into the second exercise. This is called 1-4-2 breathing. Now what are we going to do? We're going to inhale during the count of 1. Then we're going to hold our breath during 4 counts and then exhale during 2 counts. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, we're going to spice this up a little bit. So we're going to do double now. We're going to inhale during the count of 2, hold during the count of 8, and exhale during the count of 4. 2, 8, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and let's just play around with this again. We're gonna do double. This is more difficult now. This is 4, 16, 8 breathing. Inhale during the count of 4, hold during the count of 16, and exhale during the count of 8. 4, 16, 8. I hope you're good at math. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat, cycle after cycle. So you can play with these numbers over time and make it more difficult, make it easier. It depends also on your mood. This is not a competition. The idea of this exercise is to relax your mind. So if you make it too hard, then there's too much stress, you know, there is too much stress for performance, like will I be able to do this? Can I hold my breath that long? And that is not the idea. So If you want to spice it up a little bit, that's a good thing. You will train more CO2 tolerance, you will train a longer breath hold. These are all good things, but progress gradually, step by step, and give your mind and your body the time to get better in this. And remember that the idea of breath holding and freediving in general is not so much performance, that's what people think it is. It is more to find peace within yourself. So always put this as a focus of this exercise, finding peace, finding calmness, stillness inside of yourself, how to relax your mind. Alright guys, in the beginning of this video I promised you some additional breathing techniques, so go ahead and take a look at the playlist of my channel and you will find some awesome exercises there. For instance, this one, how to calm your mind with this one simple trick. Close your eyes, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Now breathe in through your mouth, breathe out through your nose. And this one, how to improve your immune system by simply applying the right breathing techniques. Or this one, how to focus your mind. So what are we going to do? We're going to alternate our breath between left and right nostril. And we're going to do this on the count of 4, 8, 8. Here we go. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or this one, the benefits of nose breathing. Our mom and dad has always told us to breathe through the nose, not through the mouth, so this is nothing new. You might say, yeah, I don't need to read a book to know I have to breathe through the nose. That was exactly what I was thinking, until I find out that actually during sleep I was breathing through my mouth. I use knowledge from my extensive freediving practice to help people develop breathing techniques which enhance their lives and general sense of well-being and happiness. I'm passionate about helping people reach a place of peace, a place which is increasingly difficult to find in our busy and modern lives. Question of the day: when you feel stressed or anxious, what is it that you like to do to calm your mind? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to know more about mastering freediving, then hit the round subscribe button here. And here I have another video on diaphragmatic breathing to relax your mind, to fight anxiety and stress. So go ahead and click on that. That's it guys, see you next time. Peace.